This is Kwikwood Wood Repair Epoxy Putty Stick. This is an effective way to repair damaged or rotted wood. It's a versatile and durable putty stick that can be used to fix a wide range of wood-related issues, from cracks and chips to large holes and missing sections. To use it, you cut a small portion of the putty. You'll see that the inside is a lighter color than the outside. You simply knead the putty until it's soft and pliable. When the two different colors of the putty mix together, that's what activates the hardener. You'll then press it into the damaged area. You can smooth out the surface with a putty knife or with your fingers, and then allow the area to dry completely. Once it's dry, you can drill, sand it, or paint over the repaired area to achieve a seamless and professional looking finish. Kwikwood is made from a specially formulated epoxy that's designed to bond strongly onto wood and other porous surfaces. The putty stick is easy to use, and it can be molded into any shape or size to fit your specific repair needs. Overall, this Kwikwood Wood Repair Epoxy Putty Stick is an essential tool for any homeowner or DIY enthusiast or furniture flipper that wants to keep their wooden surfaces looking their best. Whether you need to repair a small chip or a large hole, this easy-to-use putty stick is a reliable and effective solution that can save you time, money, and hassle in the long term.